In today's video, we are going to cover how to use Wave reports for tax preparation. Start by logging into your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This opens the area where Wave stores the financial reports you can use when preparing tax information. Depending on the records you need, you can choose from several report options here. Select the report that fits the part of tax preparation you are working on. For example, you might open Profit and Loss if you need to review income and expenses for the period. You might choose Balance Sheet if you need to check assets and liabilities. If you are preparing information related to sales tax, select the Sales Tax Report. If you need a more detailed transaction record, open Account Transactions, which is also shown as the General Ledger. After choosing the report, set the date range for the tax period you want to review. This step matters because the report only reflects activity inside the dates you select. Make sure the range matches the period you are filing for, whether that is a month, a quarter, or a full tax year. If the wrong date range is selected, the totals on the report will not match the records you need. Some reports also include a report type option. If that appears on the screen, choose the type that matches the version of the report you want to generate. Not every report includes this setting, so if you do not see it, continue to the next action. Once the settings are in place, click Update Report. Wave will refresh the report based on the selections you made. Give it a moment if the page takes time to load, then look through the results carefully. Review the report and verify the details that apply to your tax preparation. On a profit and loss report, look over income and expense categories. On a balance sheet, check the figures listed under assets and liabilities. On a sales tax report, confirm the tax amounts shown for the selected period. In the general ledger, scan the transactions to make sure the entries reflect the activity you expect to see. This review helps you confirm that the report is accurate before you share it or save it for your records. If you need a copy for your accountant or for your own tax files, click Export. Then choose either PDF or CSV, depending on how you want to save or share the report. PDF works well for a fixed document view, while CSV is useful if the report needs to be opened in a spreadsheet program for further review. Your Wave tax preparation report is now updated, reviewed, and exported for your records or accountant.